We already talked about it, okay?
Okay.
What are you doing? Hang on to her.
All right,
I gotta go see Dale before he dies. He's dead.
No, he's not, Grandma.
I know he is.
she wants you to take her to the hospital. That's
Well, I go out there where he's at and I'll stay. I ain't
All right, we
come.
gotta keep walking.
I won't come home tonight. I'll stay over there. I don't-
We're in front of the Lowe's, so I'm about to make contact. Yeah. Older lady. By High Street, in front of the Lowe's. Let's see if I can help her. Hey, ma'am? Are you okay?
Make it.
Trying to make it to Grove City, huh?
Right out here,
Are you going to the Target?
No, my son right now, he's died. And I want to go out there and see him before he dies. He can't even know.
Why don't I give you a ride?
Huh?
I could give you a ride.
Well, would you do that?
Sure.
Okay.
Why don't I?
I gotta get this stuff picked up.
What's that?
I gotta get this stuff. No, it's spooky.
I'll pick it up. Do you walk okay?
My back's hurt me so bad now. I don't think I can walk. If I know this, I wouldn't even started out like this.
Okay, why don't we? Where do you live at?
Huh?
Where do you live at?
I just live down on Furman Road.
Down where?
Furman Road.
Furman Road?
Yeah.
Do you want me to take you home or do you want me to take you to Grove City?
I want you to take me to Grove City if you would.
What part of Grove City?
He lives in a nursing home over Monterey.
Nursing home? Okay. Tell you what, I'm going to pull my car up to here so we don't have far to walk, okay?
I didn't know it was going to be like this, or I wouldn't even started out.
Oh, yep.
But I want to see where it is.
All right, well, I'm going to go get my car and I'm going to pull up here, okay?
Okay.
Hey, were you here that day Matt was telling you about the woman trying to walk to Target in Grove City? That story? No, Matt Ewing. Did you hear him talking about that run the other day? Hold on.
What are we doing with this one?
I'm gonna go take her somewhere.
To where?
Hold on. No, not today. She doesn't. I gotta go. Someone's talking. That's another officer. Do you know her or something?
My grandmother, she's got Alzheimer's.
Oh, okay, is that what's going on?
Yeah, she does this every day. Can you guys take her to the psychiatric hospital and I'll meet you there with her?
Which hospital?
Columbus Springs.
I can't take her there. We can only take them usually to, like the major hospitals.
They have psychiatric wards there?
Mm-hmm. And then they can refer them to places like...
Because I'm selling her house tomorrow, her house in my name. I'm selling it to put her in assisted living, a lockdown, but this is what I find every day.
Okay.
That she's going to get killed.
Yeah, we had an officer like...
he passed a little
about
while
a week ago telling me about she was trying to walk to Target over on Stringtown.
No, she's trying to get to Monterey to go see her son.
That's what she's saying today.
Yeah, he's been dying.
It's got to be the same woman.
Yeah, he's been dying for 2 years. He ain't dying yet.
Okay.
Yeah, she's very feisty. Or if you could just keep her here for a minute, my aunt's on her way, and me and my aunt will take her to Columbus Springs ourselves. If you could just put her in your car and keep her for a few.
Yeah, let me...
I'll get her as soon as my aunt gets here. She's on her way.
Okay.
And we both have power of attorney over her, and I'll take her out there. I'm not going to tell her where I'm taking her, but I got to do something with her.
Okay.
She's going to get killed.
Yeah, let me try to get her away from that road.
Okay, thank you.
So she doesn't fall.
Come on, buddy. Still looking at you.
Okay. Hold my arm. We're gonna go to the car.
Are you going to go to me?
Yeah, I got you.
I got the car.
Watch your head.
Oh, God.
Now,
I'm shaking. I'm shaking.
we don't need to be out walking.
I know that, but I just wanted to see him one more time before he dies. I only had 2, and I was already lost one.
Take steps.
Okay. Okay.
Keep walking.
I am.
I want to try to grab her other side.
Jenny, it's me, Mike.
Okay, Mike.
You grab your stuff over here.
I'll tell you.
What are you leaning over for? Your back hurt?
This is
Let's try to get in here and sit down.
I got to see him before he dies.
Okay, well, let's try to get in this cop car and sit down for a minute. Your back is
Oh my
killing
God.
you.
I know my back is hurting so bad. I didn't know you were dead.
Yeah, just seen you.
I
Seen you out walking again.
have to see.
I know, but you can't be walking.
Before I know, but I'm gonna see before he dies. He can't come home.
Yeah. I think your back hurt?
My back's about to kill me. If I know it'd be like this, I wouldn't have started out. I'll get in the back seat here.
Set your stuff down so I can help you.
You think it'd be better if you guys pulled up here
Might be easier to
instead
get
of me
Just
taking
take-
her to you? Why don't we try to like prop her up against the car?
Yeah, here, try to get her against the cop car and just lean against it, okay? Maybe lean against that side
They're
there.
gonna grab their car.
Come on, keep walking.
Okay. I'm not afraid to fall. Am I going to fall?
Nope, I got you.
Okay. Okay.
Couple more steps.
Don't let me fall.
Okay.
Please, please don't let me fall.
I got you.
Okay.
Can you
Try to get over that curve and then turn.
Can I get a hold of this?
Bring your van up here.
Oh, my back's hurting so bad I can't hardly stand it.
Maybe she's leaning against this door and everything out.
How am I going to get back home now?
I'll just go with
Can I get in?
it. No, we're gonna have you stand here because you're gonna get in a van.
Just lean against this door here for a minute, Virginia.
Okay.
Step
Okay.
over to your right, lean against that door there.
Just a little further.
Mark, you don't fall
Why don't we
forward, though.
let go of this bag? I'm not sure why we're holding the bag.
Well, I don't know either.
I'll take that.
I just don't want to litter her up and stuff.
Nope, you're
Now,
fine.
am I all right?
What?
Am I all right?
Hey, Rod. We're gonna get her in that van right behind you. Can you pull in front of me?
I'll tell you, if I knowed I'd been this bad of
She's
shape,
got
I wouldn't.
Alzheimer's. That's her family. Can you move?
I
Let
wouldn't.
them
I
pull
wouldn't.
up.
I wouldn't even started out if I knowed it was this bad. I had the 2 kids. One's already
Hey,
dead.
ma'am.
And
He's
this,
gonna move if you want to pull up closer.
oh, that's that big guy that I'm going to whoop her ass.
Huh?
I said, that big guy tells me not to go nowhere.
You need to go somewhere. Okay.
I got to go to the hospital over
Listen,
here.
yeah, we're gonna take you to a hospital. She's
But-
gonna take you to a hospital. Okay.
Yeah.
If you don't go with her, you're going with me. Like it'd be better if you went with her. Then.
Well, ask her she's going to take me.
She will. Yep. We already talked about it. Okay.
Okay. What are you doing?
Hang on to her.
All right.
I don't go see Dale before he dies. He's dying.
No, he's not, Grandma.
I know he is.
She wants you to take her to the hospital. That's.
Well, I go out there where he's at and I'll stay. I ain't
All right,
coming.
gotta keep walking.
I won't come home tonight. I'll stay over there. I don't want to hurt your arm. Am I hurting your
Not
arm?
gonna hurt my arm. Nope.
Oh, God.
Mike, you're going to put her in the front. She can't get in the back.
I swear to God, I'm not gonna get back in.
If Thelma would get here, her car's lower, she could get in that. Thelma, Ann?
That man ain't gonna take me nowhere.
Yeah, we are. Taking you up to the hospital. Yes, I am. You guys could be in
To
back.
the hospital. Okay.
Well, what are they gonna do to me?
Well, we'll make sure you're all right.
Let's make sure you're all right. Then you can go to Monterey.
How'd she even walk up this far?
She does this like every other day. She comes from Southern Pines.
I know, but I gotta see Dale before he dies.
Last
Man,
week, Matt had her.
My father has been dying for 2 years. And she thinks it's today. It's not. I mean, that's where he lives at. He's gonna die there. Cirrhosis of the liver, Monterey.
Oh, there's
But I
some
mean,
drug
he's-
city there.
Yeah, but he's been in like this for 2 years. She just went visiting yesterday.
Poor
Believe me,
thing.
I give her her
Yeah.
meds every day. And, you know, she's on Seroquel and everything else, but this is still what I deal with.
Yeah, that's bad.
Did I see you before?
Last week you saw another one of my Officer Fred. Watch yourself.
Oh, you want me? Where you want me to go to?
This front seat right here.
Oh God, my back's a killing me.
Yeah, we're almost there.
Oh, okay.
Once we're there, they can probably get you a wheelchair.
If I knowed I'd been this bad, I wouldn't start it out.
I know.
I wouldn't have.
Yep.
Can I? Are you gonna? Oh, you gonna hold to me?
Yep.
Please don't let me fall.
Yep.
Please don't let me fall.
Okay.
Oh. Oh.
Take it nice and easy.
Am I all right?
Got a hold of you. You're not going to fall.
Okay.
Nice and easy.
There you go.
Now I'm gonna get in your van.
Yeah. Try to get up here to the front seat, turn around, and put your butt down. Then I'll pick your legs up for you. Okay?
Okay.
Keep walking. Keep stepping.
I will. Oh, my back. I didn't know my back was this bad a shaker. I would never started out walking.
Are we gonna be able to get her up there? You think?
Oh God.
I got you.
Let me see if I can get in.
Okay, I'm in now. I'm in now.
All right.
Let's scoot a little more.
I'll tell you what. One time the policemen. One time you guys just be a bad rule.
Yes. Listen, your granddaughter is going to take you someplace you got to go. Okay.
Where's my pocketbook at?
Mike's got it. I got it. It's already in the van, probably. It's in the van.
You understand?
We're gonna wait for Thelma and we're gonna go up to the hospital, see if you're all right.
I'm all right.
Oh, I gotta make sure of that. I told you.
Make sure. Okay.
You told me earlier you was going to sleep. You didn't go to sleep.
No, because I'm worried about that. I don't want to lose him. I've already lost one, and
Listen,
I can't have no more kids.
Grandma, listen.
Listen.
They called and said he's fine, and you was there yesterday. Okay?
I want to see for myself.
Grandma, you was there yesterday. I promise you.
I didn't go in.
Yes, you did. Heather and him took you yesterday. You went. I promise you.
To hell with him.
Well, that's what I tell you every day. That's why you guys was at the bank Thursday trying to get Friday trying to get money out. I got a half sister that's been in cahoots with her again that ain't supposed to be around her.
Huh?
And they even took money out of the bank on Friday that she's not even supposed to be able to get into the bank.
Where's my pocketbook?
In my back seat.
You want to take care of?
I got it.
I mean, I don't have no money, but I got my house keys in.
Yeah, we're waiting on Thelma and we're going to go up to the hospital. Make sure you're all right.
I'm shaking to pieces.
I know you're shaking.
We can probably just back you back up.
Yeah. Yeah,
Let
my
her know
aunt
you
should be getting here. She should be coming.
Everything too, Dave. She probably left the house wide open.
You go by, lock it up.
Rodney,
I'll give you my keys.
like backing up, make sure no one comes up behind her. She's gonna back up in this parking lot so her
Aunt gets here.
Aunt gets here. Is that cool?
It's her sister, my great aunt.
They good then now? Yeah, once they get back here. they're good.
Take him with you, and I'll give you the keys.
Thanks for stopping.
Love you, man.